Shakatup kubor menta ke janmit. Pada shwa bangin pai ke kubor ke babanya, ngenya pet shwa ya kimat bekongsan. Bo jingkeli ke liang persya ya ke sorkar halor ke jingdrodur ya ke surak hamin sekretariat tuklar ukon sangma bat banjur ban penduna ya ke jingdheng kali. Wanra unung yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ya ke resolution ke bekersan banra ya ke winter capital Shatura. Ka jingmang ban pentulun ya ke sispa klor tingka kan yarap ya ki nong rep ha ke por bak dia kendu jing ong inventary ke rep karyang. Kena ke TMC ya ke Kongres bat UDP bakamla ban lep ha ke election badangshen na kadau ke jing bambiang kinong yalam. Bat yakhi biang ke NEHU su hadin bayok jing tip ya ke jing wan poi Vice Chancellor ke NEHU u Professor PS Shukla. Kikubor kibabnya. U sembut Menteri Rangba u beripet ya ketenat penroisor u bak seniau bahalang dhar habu jubab ya ke jingkeli bala wanra da u MLA ke Maulai u bak Bright Starwell Marbanyang halor ke jingdrodur ha ki surok ha main secretariat. U Menteri ula batai ba ke jingtrekam ke longkat kum ke geometric design standard na kebenta ki surok hasor. Unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keli jingkeli halor kani ke juk kamat kabayday bat ke jingpen thame bala penlong dakini ki jingdro. Haba jubab u badhar ula pensyai bakani ke projek kabut ya ki kendon jong ke Indian Road Congress Court kabakmi ya ki geometric design. U Menteri Rangba u konrad ke Sangma ula tuklar lang halor kani kamat da ka banjur bagi jing persyang jong ke sorkar ban penduna ya ke jing dheng kali ha ke nong ba da ke jing temu ban penlong ya live ho na ke shispa ke jaka kum ke bam sya yat kali ke ban ailat ya ki breu ban yo yat kejat klem jing pentun.
To the Honourable Minister's reply to for B, I would like to know whether the different painted colours like yellow, white, green, purple, orange, extra are permissible.
Mr. Speaker, as per road marking, as per IRC 35 standard, the color used always normally is white and yellow. But as per this ethical organization's guidebook, is different color can be used.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think my question was pertaining to adhering to the parameters, because anything that distracts the concentration of the driver, resulting in possible accidents, are to be adhered to.
Sir, based on this particular tactical urbanism guidebook by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, the interventions have been taken as per that guidebook, sir. And definitely, sir, we are going to be more extra careful. I'll take the suggestion. We will audit the whole thing. But my point being, sir, ultimately that this is being done, as I said, overall as part of the master plan. And hopefully, as per our policy, we'll be creating about 30% of the road for non-motorized transport. And from there, our intention is to create this walking space so that people can then walk. And as I said, let me assure the House that we have taken most of the areas and aspects into consideration. We'd be happy to take more suggestions if we have any, because this is for the good of the people of Shillong City.
Unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma hene kesngi ula wanra ya ke resolution ke bekersan ban penlong ya ke winter capital Hatura. Habawan ra ya ke resolution u Dr. Mukul u yesad balada ya ki jingyalang jong ke kenhun menteri la ban penlong haki jaka baper jong ke jela te kumta kam dan jing ban penlong ya ke tura kum ke winter capital. Ula ong ba ke ni kan wanra ya ke roy kapar ke bamar ya rengkat ya ke than. Henry ki babun na kidukot ke ying dorbar kila penpau ya ke jing persya halor ke ni ke resolution balawan ra da unong yalam kaliang persya.
Comprising of the 5 districts of Garo Hills generated the felt need of creation of winter capital at Tura for ensuring equitable and inclusive development of the region as a whole, which is in sync with the dreams and desires of our founder leaders of the state. with a shared objective of creating a sense of oneness among our three major tribes of the state.
Ka Menteri Ketenat Karep Karyang I Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ila pentip ha ke yeng dorbar ba ke jingpenmi ya usinsar ha ke jela ha usnem arhajar arpulai kalong riu point praspa lifeway metric ton but nyopusan point riu spa prapo metric ton ha usnem arhajar arpulai arpusau but ke jingmang na kebenta usnem arhajar arpusan ompat la ban ai. Ila ong ya kani haba jubab ya ke jingkeli bala wanra do MLA ke UDP uba lakmen remboi. Ila pentip ba Menteri rangba ke jela ula kular ban mang ban pentelun ya ke shis pa klor tingka ban yarap ya ki nongrep ki baya kendu jing e. Ila ong ru ba ke sorkar kala trei shitom ban kentiu bat yarap ya ki nongrep ling ba ke CM Assured Scheme bala pelat pat ba ha ke ship hoterik urempang arhajar arpusan.
So, sir, the government, in its wisdom, thought that the best thing to do for the farmers is to mitigate while this volatility in the market price fluctuates, and hence farmers are feeling the pressure of loss. So, sir, we have also ensured that we engage in improving the value enhancement of brooms, sir.
Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli bala wanra da UMLA ka mauring keneng uba Havingstone Karprang ha ka baydai bat ke jingshna ya ki pung dok kha u konrad ke sang mau la ong ba ka sorkar jela kala mang khandai punyo point ribu pra klur tingka na ka benta ban shna ya lai hajar arspa lai photeli ki pung dok kha hapo ki scheme ba pher nadu usnam arhajar arpau hadu arhajar arpusau. Ukonrad ula batai ba ka aqua mission bala pelat pat ba hausnam arhajar kharwe kalala ban penmi 1,000 metric ton ki dok ha bat ya menta ke jela kalala ban penmi hadu arpau hajar metric ton persya ya ke jingdawa ka balong laifu hajar metric ton.
Always a joint effort by the fishery and the health department, the food safety. The Commissioner of Food Safety is there, sir, under the Health Department. And there's always a joint operation, or you can say exercise, that's conducted every once in a while. And there is no way for us to check every kg or every piece of fish that comes in. But these kind of inspections do allow us to then identify maybe the suppliers or the different wholesalers who are actually sending fish that may have formalin in it.
President ka TMC Meghalaya ubalong ru MLA ka nong thamai uba Charles Pongrop ula keno ba ka jing bamla bambiang ki nong yalam jong ki seng kum ka Congress bat UDP kala penlong yaki ban omla ban le bha ha ki election badang shudeption. Ula ong ba ka jing hiar kensan ka Congress hapo ka jing yalam uba Vincent H. Pala kabala penlong ya ka seng Congress ban sa tang uwe UMLA ha ka ying dor bar thau an ka badan riu phongot ki dikhot. Ula kadawru ba ki seng reulom kum ka VPP wat hadin ba kila paunam kadai ban pensisya ya ka jingla ban sensyar lada ki kwa ban ne ha ka ne ka jinglong ba minta.
But the Congress, the UDP, they need strong leadership. And I can speak for the Congress because I was a congressman for 30 years. So there is no threat. But you cannot be complacent. And so, because Congress has a base, people love the Congress. No. People love the leaders of the Congress who are good and honest and who can bring a change, then they love the Congress.
Ka Trinamool Congress kala sakhi ya ka jinghiar harsut jongka harilom KHASI bat Jaintia. Sisian kesngi kala long ka seng ka baklan bor ha ka jela bat menta kala ikendu ya ka jing e bakraw ha ka ba kinong kershan jongka kila nang duna. President ka TMC Meghalaya uba Charles Pongrop ula pediang ya ka jing bamla ka seng ban su thiet da ka bakam ba kinong kershan jongka ha ka than kala hiar. Habakali halor ka lawai jong ka TMC kham tam ha ka baidei bat ka jingken tiap sya ka seng Kongres bat kiwei ki seng uba Charles ula artatien halor ka jingla ka seng ban penne yalade.
TMC is perceived as a Bengali party. Before the elections and after the elections it become worse. You will not get the support of the KHASI and Jaintia. And the Bengalis of it, they call it the Muslim party. I mean, this is feedback I've got. They should never say that. That should not be said in politics. Because politics, we are a secular country. But under those circumstances, for me to build a party, then who do I look to?
Chief Executive Member ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thambor Shiwat ula bahak kam Shaki Executive Member jong ka Executive Committee bathmai. Layalam ya ka committee da ka seng National People's Party ha ka jingatri lang bat ka United Democratic Party. Uba Shiwat ula bat biang ya ka kam bakinthup ya ka General Administration Planning bat kam platingka kat ba ula bahak ya ki wei pat kitanat Shaki Executive Member. Hadin balayok jingtip ya ke jingwan trebiang u Vice Chancellor ke North Eastern Hills University NEHU u Professor PS Shukla mentah kesngi ki kena pulih hapok ke syatri NEHU Students Union lani NEHU su kila beteng biang ya ke jingyaki da ke bakhang tala ya barok ki gate jong ke skul ba lat no tang ke gate ke baar bakentup ya ke office jong u Vice Chancellor ki dekhot jong ke NEHU su kila don haman laki gate ban pentikna ba u Vice Chancellor on omyo ban rung sya ke skul ba ki kena pulih ba penlong jingyaki kila dawa ya ke jing e no kam jong u Vice Chancellor nakadaw ke jing bambiang ke rukom trikam jong u ka Jaintia National Council JNC kala penlong ya ke jingra lamayong ban persya ya ke lentiral harilum Jaintia ha kli riat mentah ke sngi kani ke rali ke themu ban penjur ya ke sur jong ki nong Jaintia ki bala kentat jur ya ke jingwan ra ya ke lentiral ka Jaintia National Council ka shim ba ki nong Jaintia ki kham don kam ya ki jingtei ba khambha ba kenthup ya ki surok ke jaka pule puthi bar ki jaka sumar ban ya ke lentiral kani ke jing persya ka dai hadian ke jing bamla ban pentrikam ya ke lentiral haribhoi district ka JNC kala dawa ya ki lar ke lenti ban yada na ke jingwan rung kirthep ki mender sya ke jilla da ke jing yang klem akor ha Shillong ka bala penjur ya ke jing dheng kali u CEO ka Shillong Cantonment Board u Ayush Moria ula pentikna ban penshitom ting persya ya ki ba penyeng kali bean ha ki jaka ke Cantonment ula maham ba ondan kunai ya ki ba penkhen ya ka an khamtam ya ki tu ki ba shimdor palat ban ya ka bala bu lani ba yeng ha ki jaka bamyo jingben umor ya ulo ong ba ka day ban yasulok bat ki pat ba shwa ban ay ya ka jaka ban penyeng kali bat ula maham ba kinu ki ba penkhen ya ki an ken syadan kuna
See, as of now, there is no such proposal. State governments, definitely, this issue of traffic congestion is a big one in Shillong, as we all know. So, state government is trying to have proper designated parking spots. As of now, there is no active consideration inside cantonment area. But as and when requests come from state government, we will consider it. It has to be dealt with. There are multiple stakeholders. The Defence Officer, Guwahati Circle, DO Circle is there. Army is involved. So every stakeholder needs to take into consideration before giving any land on parking.
Mentangin ni pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunmeneng hatura. Ka jing kriat ka long khatnyo degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit ka long lifeway degree Celsius. Ka jing singam ka haw menta ka sngi ka long khat pra na ka shispa. Haba pai pat chanong ba Shillong ka jing kriat ka long nyo point nyo degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit ka long arpo point iway degree Celsius. Ka jing singam ka haw menta ka sngi ka long sanpuway na ka shispa. Kat bahat jawai pat ka jing kriat ka long shipo degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit ka long arpo degree Celsius. Ka jing singam ka haw menta ka sngi ka long arpuway na ka shispa. Ka sun menengkan rang haki babun ki jaka hatura jawai bat ha Shillong. Shwaban poi syaka bakut jong ketup kubor ngini pet biang sa sisian ya kimat bakongsan. Bu jingkeli kaliang persya ia ke sorkar halor ke jingdroder haki surok ha main sekretariat tuklar ukon rat sangma ban banjur ban penduna ia ke jingdheng kali. Wanra unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma ia ke resolution ke bekerjaan ban ra ia ke winter capital Shatura. Ka jingmang ban pentelun ya ka sispa keluar tingka kan yarap ya kinong rap ha kapor baya kendu jing ong imentri ka rap karyang. Kenok ke TMC ya ke Kongres bat UDP bakamla ban lep ha ke election badangshen nakadaw ka jingbam biang kinong yalam. Bat yaki biang ke NEHU su hadin bayok jingtip ya ke jingwan poi u Vice Chancellor ke NEHU u Profesor PS Shukla. Ti paralok kat tu ngila poi syaka bekut jong ketup kubor jongi mentah ke janmit hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pi la syai kesngi kublai pi baro.